Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this beautiful muffler. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial, so let's get started. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn. Here I am using ballet double knit yarn, 4mm of crochet hook and also a scissor. So let's get started and make it with me. First I am using blue color of yarn. In this video here I am using total 3 balls of blue color of yarn. First hold yarn like in fingers like this. Next we will make slip knot. Insert your hook, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over, pull it. Here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it. Just repeat same pattern, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, and make chain on top. Yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of 30 chains for this pattern, like for the base of the pattern. We will gonna make total of 30 chains. Just complete it. Here my 30 chains complete, you see clearly. Next we will make the double crochet stitch. Skip first 2 chain like 1 and 2. Insert your hook into the third chain like here, yarn over, insert your hook into the third chain, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly the double crochet stitch. We will gonna make 1 double crochet in each chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just yarn over the hook, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. Repeat the same pattern and complete the total of rows, like make 1 double crochet in each chain below and complete the total of 28 double crochet stitches in each chain below and reach into the last. Here my first row complete. Now I make last stitches. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make last double crochet stitch again like this. You see clearly my first round complete. Now for the next row we will gonna make total of 3 chain on top. You see clearly how look it is. For the next row 3 chain, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it. This is the 3 chain you see. After making 3 chain, just turn your work like this. Now here you see we have chain on top, yarn over, insert your hook into the first chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Repeat same pattern, make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Just yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain like here, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 double crochet in each chain below. Just repeat same pattern until you reach into the last chain and complete the second row. Here my second row complete. Now I make my last stitch. Insert your hook like here into the top of stitch, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loops. You see clearly there is a small gap. There is no problem when you see a small gap. Now for the next row 3 chain on top. Turn your work again and make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. You see clearly how look it is. When you make 3 chain on top, the stitches will be gonna be straight, just like this. And repeat the same pattern until you complete the total of rows according to your length. So just at the beginning of new row 3 chain, and then we will start double crochet stitches and make repeat same pattern on top. and just come back according to your length. Here I just complete my length. I will show you clearly. First I make last stitch. After making last double crochet, chain 1, pull the yarn just over and cut it with your scissors. Chain 1 on top is for making your work secure. Now cut the leftover yarn tightly. Now after cutting the yarn, pull the leftover yarn tightly and secure your work in the last like this. After pulling the yarn, we will hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Now insert your hook into the stitches and just pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Like this. You see clearly. This step is for making your work neat and clean, so make sure you will hide all the leftover yarn after completing your work. Now I will show you how I create my length. You see clearly. In rows I will make it total of 140 rows, and in centimeters the stitch is gonna be 65 centimeter long. Now in the last we will make tassels with white color of yarn. So let's get started and make it with me and just attach it on the sides of the muffler. So let's get started and make it with me. For making tassels, here I am using white color of yarn. So let's get started and make it with me. Very easy to make and beginner friendly. I will show you clearly how to make it. First, hold yarn like this. I already cut some yarn like 7 centimeter long. You see clearly. So just attach it on another and cut it together according to this length. You see clearly how I cut it. Again cut it according to same length, like 7 centimeter long. Repeat the same pattern 6 times. I will show you clearly how to make it. Don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. This is the last time. Like this. You see clearly I just cut the total of 6 pieces like 7 centimeter long. Now just wrap it into the center. I cut total of 6 pieces for making the thick tassel. So insert your hook into the first side like here. Just insert your hook and pull the 6 pieces with the help of crochet needle inside it. So be careful and just pull it inside. You see clearly in this video. Just pull the pieces inside the stitch like this. Now you see the middle part of the stitches and pull it outside like this. Pull all the pieces into the middle part and just pull it tightly. And here we have first tassel. Repeat the same pattern, make one more. I will show you clearly how to make it again. First I just cut the 6 pieces more. Now take the middle part, insert your hook like into the second chain like here and pull the 6 pieces inside. Pull it over. And after pulling the yarn over, we will just take the middle part and pull the yarn into the middle part like this. Just pull it outside and over it. Here you see clearly we have again make tassels. Just repeat the same pattern. First cut the 6 pieces in 7 centimeter long and attach it into the center of each chain and complete the total of both sides. Here I just completed. Now I make last 2 stitches. Again I will show you in this video how to make it. So don't forget any part of the video for making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just make sure you will take the center part and pull the pieces outside like this. Now I insert a hook into the last chain like here and again make the last tassel. First pull it outside. For second we will take the middle part and pull the yarn like outside like this. After pulling the yarn outside, we will pull it tightly and secure your work in the last. This is the complete and the final look of tassels. You see clearly how look it is. Very easy to make and beginner friendly tutorial. I already attached it on another side. I will show you like this. You see clearly how look it is. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. And also, if you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment and also subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. So stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.